So hello friends, welcome back to Nabeel Clicks. In this video I am going to unbox my Gimbal Air Cross 2. If you haven't seen my old video in which I have unboxed my Sony a7 III camera, I will provide a link here. You can go and watch it. So must watch that too. So subscribe to my channel. I need a lot of traffic to my channel so that my channel can grow and I can produce some good content for you. So let's start now. So friends, you can see this is the Air Cross 2 box. So I am going to unbox it. If we can see on its box, they have Air Cross 2 has provided us about the cameras or mirrorless cameras that it supports. So like you can see Sony A9, Sony a7 III, Sony 6500, Sony RX 100, and like Fujifilm's camera or Nikon Z7 mirrorless camera, or you can see Nikon's Z6 and EOS R Canon camera. And it can support much more mirrorless or DSLR cameras which they have not provided here. Like they have written, for more details of supported cameras, please refer to the Gerson official website. So you can find it on this website which cameras does this Air Cross 2 gimbal supports. So let's unbox it. So friends, you can see the outlook of this box. This is like we are going to put money in it, and that's a very beautiful box to carry. So let me tell you, I am not going to balance this gimbal in this video because it is very hectic and very difficult to balance it. So I'm buying any kind of gimbal for the first time, so I'm not going to balance it in this video. I will learn it and handle it, and then I will again come with another video to balance it in front of you. So this is the look of this gimbal. So first we can get a danger paper here that can show what things not to do with this gimbal. So these are the warnings which we have not to do with this gimbal. So we are not going to read this properly. Maybe I can read it later. So let's put it on the side. You can find a manual here for this gimbal, which have shown different kinds of tools they are providing us here, and then there will be a camera setup and different kind of things. So you can find supported cameras list in this manual also. They have shown the supported cameras list on this manual also, or you can check on it on their website before you buy this. So these are different kind of rotations you can follow with this gimbal. I will show later when I will learn how to handle this gimbal. So there are some tools they have provided us, like we can find some wires here. These are some wires which we can connect with our gimbal for different purposes, and there are also some other wires they have provided us with this gimbal, and there is another one. So they have provided a lot of wires to us. So this is the tray with which we are going to connect our Sony a7 III. and this is the tripod with which we can connect our gimbal on it for making some videos and for handling the gimbal if we are doing vlogging. So this is very useful in this gimbal. Then there is a tray with which we are also going to connect our Sony a7 III for balancing actually. So there's the beast Moza Aircross 2. So you can take a look at it. This is very good in looking. So there are few buttons to I think control the gimbal, how to move it in different directions. It provides like we can move a control car. So a very good by its look. There's a battery on the back side, and there's a battery for Moza Aircross 2, a very good looking battery. I don't know how much it can support. What will be the battery timing of this battery? First, when I will use, I will guide you about this also. So there are some lock buttons with which we can lock its points for balancing the gimbal. So as you have watched the look, I will in next video balance for you, and then I will produce some cinematic videos for you with my Sony a7 III on this very gimbal. So that's it for now. So friends, you have watched the video and I hope you have liked the video, and I also hope you will prefer Aircross 2 gimbal for your videos in future because it is affordable and it will help to stabilize your videos. So subscribe to my channel so that you can watch some good content in future. I'm going to make some cinematic videos with this gimbal on my Sony a7 III for you. So for watching my content instantly, you have to subscribe to my channel and support me. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.